So this claim that there is a clash between science and Islam, or the metaphysical realm, belief in this metaphysical realm, is unfounded. Islam allows the development of science. The only reason for the underdevelopment now, one of the main reasons, is the lack of scientific funding given by governments. Meaning, governments, if they do not fund scientific research, then science will not advance in those countries. So those countries that are not funding science, they must blame themselves for the underfunding of science and scientists. There is no clash between scientists and scientific research and Islam. Those who claim that there is a clash between science and Islam, either they have not studied Islam correctly, and if they have not studied science correctly. They do not understand science and how science works, how paradigm shifts in scientific research work, how scientific data can be interpreted. Now, if the interpretation of scientific data clashes with Islam, then Muslims simply await a scientific revolution that reinterprets the same data in a manner which is more conforming or compatible with the Islamic teachings. But scientific data itself is never rejected. So the human finds, for instance, of various skeletons throughout the world, or the human remains and the research on the DNA and the human genome, all of this data is not refuted by Islam. It's accepted. The scientific method interprets that data, and that can always undergo a change, and it awaits a change at all periods of time. So those who make a clash between Islam and science, if they are clerics, they do not understand science. And if they are scientists, they do not understand Islam. This is why it is essential for clerics to read scientific books, at least popular books on science, and likewise for scientists who dabble in religious issues, they should at least have a good understanding of Islam prior to critiquing Islam, because once they understand, they will not critique. So this clash between science, technology and metaphysics is also false.